Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to request an upgrade on the Delta app. First, open the Delta app and make sure you're signed in to your Sky Miles account. Go to the trip section and locate your flight reservation. You can search using your confirmation number if needed. Check the upgrade preference box. Then choose your preferred seat type, aisle, middle, or window. If your trip has multiple segments, be sure to apply the upgrade to all segments. If you're a Medallion member, you can also request an upgrade by selecting the Request Upgrade box. This will add you to the standby list and upgrades will clear based on availability and priority. For existing bookings, you can also call the Delta Reservations line, especially if you'd like to use an upgrade certificate. And that's it. If you still can find a solution, the best step is to contact Fly Delta app customer support for further help. And that's it. That's how to request an upgrade on the Delta app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.